Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This is Swapnil, and in this video I will show you how you can use rule-based row filters. Let's say you have a data like this. I have laptop asset data which I have downloaded from Kaggle. Again, if you are not aware about how you download the data set from the Kaggle, you will get multiple varieties of data. I will add a link in the description where I have explained how you can easily download data from the Kaggle. Okay, so don't worry. Now, so let's say if you have data like this, it has 4446 record, and if there is a criteria or requirement like you want to check only Windows 11 and 11, let's say, do we have 11 Pro? Yes, 11 and 11 Pro. Okay, I want to check the data only for 11 or 11 Pro, and let's say Mac OS related. So how you will do it? We can use a rule-based row filter. Initially, in previous my videos, I have explained how to use a row filter. The row filter and rule-based row filter, these are the two different nodes. Let's say I will show you rule-based. This is a row filter for that we want to discuss, and again there is a row level filter. Row filter, basically the functionality kind of, it's like a more advanced this role based row filter where you can apply it conditions and all that, and this is like a basic. If you want to filter out only specific, let's say Windows 11 or Windows 11 Pro, you can add and or conditions in that. But it's like a, let's say in normal scenarios, in normal layman language, you can consider like it's if you want to just filter out data, basic data filtering, you can use this. If you want advanced level of data filtering, you can use this. Okay, so how you will use a rule based row filter? So first you have to connect it. Okay, now I will minimize this. Now we have data which is again 4446, and we want to filter out data for the OS which has Windows 11 and 11 Pro, and let's consider Mac OS. Three requirements. So how we'll do it? It's very easy. You have to open the configuration, and again here these are the different functionalities that you can use. Functions we will use in function. So how you will achieve it? So first that we have a column called OS where we will get different OS, right? So you have to just double click on it, it will be added. Now just type in capital in, then only it will apply function. Otherwise if you apply this, then it will not consider the function. We have to use in function. Okay, now open bracket and close bracket. Now in that whatever the requirement you have, or whatever the values you want to filter out, you have to add it in a double quotations, because it's in a string format, right? So I want data for Windows 11, Windows 11 Pro, and let's say Mac OS. Okay, and the value should be true. I want only true records. So, and it should be in a capital. Okay, now apply, because include true matches. If you exclude it, then apart from this three you will get all data. If you include true, then only you will get this three criteria related records. Apply. Okay, and let's try to execute. Okay, now if you see, I think Mac OS we missed something. I think the spelling Mac OS. Okay, so Mac, I think I have added. Okay, Mac, because AC is in small, and OS again, let's try. OS is in capital or small? Okay, OS is in capital. Let's say filter out. Okay, so we have data about near about 2125. How to validate data? Let's go over here and try to filter out from here. We want only Windows 11, 11 Pro, and Mac OS, which is 2125, right? And whatever we have here is 2125. Yes, the count is matching. So yeah, it's easy. What we have done is we have just used in function formula, and we in a dollar we have added the column name we want for the filter out purpose, and then we applied whatever the column or values we want in a double quote, because it's in a string format, that's why. And we need only a true cases. Let's consider if you need a false cases, means apart from this three we want everything. So if I click on OK and execute, you will get 2321 related data, right? And from here you will not get any Windows 11 or 11 Pro related data. Let's consider Mac OS, you will get nothing. Windows 11, nothing. 11 Pro, nothing. But let's say Windows 11s, you will get the data. So yeah, so this is the very easy tool, so that you can filter out particular column records like values, multiple values, like Windows 11, Mac OS and something like that. So this can be implemented in your project. If you are new to the KNIME, then this tool will help you a lot in your projects. I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.